Hello guys, welcome to VJ Techno Wizard. Today we are going to discuss about the roadmap of reactjs. What to learn before React? You have to learn three things: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. In HTML, you should know all the basic tags, including the class ID, block, inline, and form tag is very important. And then link, images, media related tags, layouts. It's also very important to create a professional website. Okay, and then CSS. HTML is for structuring the website and CSS is for styling the website, cascading style sheet, right? So here also you have to learn all the basic syntax, and position is one of the key role playing in that creating a website. Okay, and then box model is also very important. You have to know that grid layout and flexbox. Media queries is very helpful in using the website in multiple devices, okay, in that responsive manner. So you have to learn this main tags also. And then animation sass, in react.js also we have that concept, sass, and I already covered a video on that. Next one is functioning. For functioning purpose, you have to learn the JavaScript. HTML is a structure, CSS is a style, and JavaScript is a functioning that website. Okay, functioning means you have to learn all the basic syntax of JavaScript and whoops. Most of people know that whoops concept. And then ES6 React also have that ES6 ECMAScript 6, and then DOM document object model. BOM browser object model, event handling. It's very important for creating a dynamic websites. And then promises, asynchronous, Ajax, web APIs, etc. And next one, every developer should know this version control system. For example, Git and GitHub. I already covered one video on this, so I'll give you a link in description. So watch that video to understand that version control system, how to use Git and GitHub in React project. Okay. Next one is package manager. So whenever you are creating a project on each level, like beginner project, intermediate project, advanced project, in every project you have to use multiple packages, right? So you have to know about the basic packages and advanced packages in each level of your learning. You know multiple packages from this npm and yarn. Okay, npm means node package manager. These are the things you have to learn before React. So first understand the concept of all these topics and then move to the React. Let's start on react.js fundamentals. React.js fundamentals covers all these topics: HTML rendering, ES6 ECMAScript, and JSX, JavaScript expressions, class and functional components, prop, state, list and keys, React forms, CSS and SAS styling, event handling. It's very important. Conditional rendering and component lifecycle routing is very important for every React developers. Okay, so once you cover this, all the fundamental topics, once you have the knowledge of these topics, please do some beginner level project and then go to that advanced topic. Then only you can understand and you can get more experience on react.js. Okay, now next go to that advanced topics. Advanced topics contains like high order components, portals, error boundaries, context strips, and render props. And react hooks is a very important topic in react.js. It has multiple methods: use state, use effect, context, reducer, callback, memo, and custom hooks. Okay, and state management. For managing the state, React has three things: Redux, Flex, Mopex. Okay, and then goes to API. You'll use REST APIs, HTTP requesters like get, post, put, update, delete, like that. You have to get some knowledge on that API related things, which Axios. And when it comes to styling part, you'll just learn this Material UI and React Bootstrap. It's very helpful for to create most interactive websites. Once you've done this development part, you have to move to testing side. So here we have unit testing, just React testing library for the testing your websites. And for server side rendering SSR, you have to learn next.js, and for static site generation, you have to learn gatsby.js. Okay, I already covered fundamental topics of React.js in my channel. In description I give a link, so visit my channel and learn React.js. For advanced topics, stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon to get the notification whenever I'm posting that new advanced React.js topics. And if my video really helpful in your career, then don't forget to give that super thanks. Thanks for watching, guys.